I had initiated the project. The idea came to me by attending a workshop that looked at barriers and challenges to physical activity for low socioeconomic status mothers in Canada, and it identified a number of factors that were barriers and identified ways of addressing these barriers. I brought the information home and looked at our community and found that we were a fairly transient community. There were quite a large number of low socioeconomic status mothers in the community. Initially I identified potential partners and contacted them individually to explain the project that I had in mind to them and see if they would be interested in partnering to organize the project. I talked to social service agencies, community service organizations that dealt with low socioeconomic status mothers, and had them and asked if they'd be interested in passing a survey along to their to potential clients of the program to see if they would be interested, to see if they would participate in the program. And found that there was quite a lot of interest, so then I engaged the rest of the partners that we needed on the project and invited them to participate. They were interested. We had our local rec center participating as well, who would offer the venue for the project and would be the primary facilitator of the project. To build rapport with the group, made it clear what we were trying to do. We all agreed on what we were trying to do, and we discussed the reasons why the project should take place. Transparency was very important. All partners had to understand, or from my perspective, my partners had to understand what I could bring to the table, what I had to offer in terms of resources, in terms of time, and in terms of how it, excuse me, in terms of how it addressed the goals for Healthy Alberta communities. It was also very important to maintain communication, and when engaging the partners, I had to take the initial steps to communicate with them and to create and develop interest in the project. And it was very important to maintain communication throughout in order to keep them interested in the project.